Hello students, after little pause we meet here again. Students of Standard 9 English Medium, today you will learn another new chapter, Gadya. Okay? Students, before we go ahead on another new chapter, we have to little bit revise what we learned in last videos. Students, in last video we learned chapter number 14. Here I have written question answer according to chapter number 14. So we have to revise a little bit, then we will go ahead. First question like this: who gave news? Students, in their story, Bhattaha means soldier, one who came there and gave news about the victory of cows. Question 2: for whom the war happened? Why happened in that story? Students, the war happened for cows. Okay, Virata's kings and Hastinapur's soldiers. Who asked about the relatives? Here, Bruhalla, but who asked about the relatives to the Abhimanyu? Who caught by whom? Who caught? Abhimanyu, one who caught, and by whom? He caught by Bhimsen. How? If ask someone, then say without weapon. Who was Uttar? Here question mark will come. Sorry. Who was Uttar? Uttar was the son of Virat king. At last, what happened? Students, at the end of our dialogues from story, Abhimanyu, one who got his all elder ones. Okay, so that's concept we learned in last session, students. So after revise, we have to go ahead on chapter number 15, Sudurlabha Sarva Manorama Vani. Students, Sudurlabha means it's very difficult. Sarva Manorama means all except, all like by mind. Vani means speech. Students, the title like this, it's very difficult to listen very interesting speech by someone. Means it's not possible that all will speak to you in sweet words, in sweet sentences. So that is the concept of this. हिंदी में बताओ तो सबके मन को भाए ऐसी वाणी दुर्लभ है. That is the concept of this. Okay, students. I am reading whatever today where I will learn page number 60. Loke yadastu dash sampadayati. Till these lines today you will learn. So I am reading. You listen just. Loke yadastu ekasmina rojate tada अन्ये न रोचते इत्यत विचित्र रूपम संसार. एकस्मिन परिवारे जाताना समाना आचार विचारणा जनानां अपि भिन्ना भिन्ना रुचि भवति. किं पुनः विभिन्न परिवारेषु उत्पन्ना जनानां वार्ता. ओके, समाना पितृकेषु पुत्रकेषु कश्चित् मधुरं रोचते, कश्चित् लवणं रोचते, कश्चित् आम्लं रोचते एंड आम्लं रसम् इति. एवं हि कश्चितः काव्यं रचयति, कश्चितः नाट्यं रचयति, कश्चितः शिल्पं कश्चितः च गणितम्. एवमेव कस्मैचित् शृङ्गारः प्रियो भवति, कस्मैचित् वीररसः करुणरसः, कस्मैचित् हास्यरसः रोचते. विरलाय कस्मैचित् जनाय बीभत्सो अपि रोचते इति नान्यतां रुचिनां व्यवस्था अव्यवस्थित भवति. मीन्स दिस टाइप्स ऑफ पर्सन्स वी कैन सी इन आवर सोसाइटी. सेकंड पैरा स्टूडेंट्स सी एतम सति एकम एवं वाणी सर्वस्व मानस संतोषयत यतिं न अहर्ति. यह खलु आर्षेण संस्कारेण संस्कृतो भवति तस्मै मुद्वी रुज्वी च वाणी रोचते न तु कर्कशः कुटिला वा. अतः एव सः वार्तावसरे एतादृशी वाणी एवं उचिता भवति. परन्तु यह जडः दुर्व्यसन अलसः च सेवकः भवति तस्मै तस्य अधिपः प्रायः कर्कशवाणी वदति. कार्ये च संयोजयति स्वकीय this line will come students. स्वकीय प्रयोजनम च संपादयति. So that's the reading of these two paragraphs. I hope you understood this reading very well. We have to understand these two paragraphs. What is the concept? See, लोके यद अस्तु एकस्मे रोचते. लोके means in this world, यद अस्तु एकस्मे रोचते means if one thing interested by someone, tada अन्यस्मिन् न रोचते means that thing not give the interest to the other one. विचित्र रूपम संसारः इतः means this society is very strange. For example, I like this white color, but someone not like this. So that is the concept of this line. एकस्मिन् परिवारे जाताना. एकस्मिन् परिवारे means in one family who born समान आचार विचाराणां जनानामपि भिन्ना भिन्ना रुचिं भवति. Means a person who born in one family, then also their attitude, their behavior, their interest different means various types. किं पुनः विभिन्न परिवारेषु उत्पन्ना जनानां वार्ता. Then how we can talk about those people who born in different family. So that is the concept of this line. Again repeat. A person who born in one family means two person, but who born in one family, then also their interest, their work, their thinking different. Then how we can talk about those person who born in different family. Next, समान पितृकेषु पुत्रकेषु किंचित मधुरं रोचते. See, समान पितृकेषु means one father and one who has two sons. कश्चित मधुरं रोचते means one son. कश्चित मधुरं रोचते means one son like sweet. कश्चित लवणम means salty. कश्चित चांबलम रसमिति means someone like sour. Okay, चांबलम means खट्टा. So here our poet is telling that our writer, one father has three sons, then one like madhur means sweet, one like salty, and one like very sour means khatta. So that is the difference one who born in one family. एवं ही कश्चित काव्य रसमृत means if three sons having then एवं ही कश्चित काव्य रसमृत means someone like काव्य means poetry, कश्चित नाटक means someone like drama, कश्चित शिल्प means someone like शिल्प means artistic work, and कश्चित च गणित means someone like गणित means mathematics. So that is the difference in son one who born from one father. Okay. एवमेव कस्मिंश्चित् शृंगारं प्रियो भवति means someone like शृंगार rasas. Students, in Sanskrit literature our feelings counted as rasas. For example, angerness, disappointment, sadness, these are known, bravery, okay, strong power, these are known as the rasas in Sanskrit literature. So एवमेव कस्मिंश्चित् शृंगारः प्रियो भवति means someone like शृंगार only means beautiness. कस्मिंश्चित् वीरः means someone like bravery, means around us someone like bravery means one who want to do only adventurous work. कस्मिंश्चित् करुणः means someone like करुण रसः, करुण means disappointment, sadness. कस्मिंश्चित् हास्यरसः means someone like हास्यरस that means students, okay, which thing that give happiness or laugh or smile on everyone's face, that is known as hasya rasa. Comedy, that means funny thing. Viralaya kasmichita janaya. Viralaya means mostly if you will see in our society, janaya vibhatso api means some people are very bad one. Vibhats means bad. They are always think bad thing. Iti nanyatam ruchinam vyavasthit bhavati means we can see there is no any same interest of people. Different types of interest we can see in our society. So that is the concept of first paragraph. Again I repeat, if you having any doubt in this paragraph, then I one time repeat see. First line like this, लोके यदस्तु एकस्मिन् रोचते तदन्ये न रोचते इत्यं विचित्र रूपं संसारः. Students, in this world there are different types of people. One person like one thing, it's not likable by others. For example, I like this white color chalk, you can see students, but this white color does not accept by other. So that is the concept of first line. एकस्मिन परिवारे. Now second line is about family life. एकस्मिन परिवारे means a person one who born in one family. Okay, born. For example, this circle is known as one family, and here two sons you can see. So एकस्मिन परिवारे जाता रहा means a person one who born in one family, two son one who born in one family. समान आचार विचाराना जनानामपि भिन्न भिन्न रुचि भवति means born in one family of these two sons, then their thinking, their interests are different means रुचि भिन्न भिन्न भवति. किं पुनः विभिन्न परिवारेषु उत्पन्ना जनानां वार्ता. Then how we can talk about this? Okay, one two born from this family and two born from this family. We can't talk about one family, then how we can talk about different types of family one who born. Okay, so किं पुनः विभिन्नेषु परिवारेषु उत्पन्न जनानां वार्ता. वार्ता means talk. So how we can talk about the different family persons birth. Okay, समान पितृकेषु पुत्रिकेषु. See here, समान means there is one father and it has two sons. Okay, there is one father and one who has two sons. समान पितृकेषु पुत्रिकेषु कश्चित् मधुरं रोचते means this like मधुर means sweet, and कस्मिंश्चित् लवणं means salty, and कश्चित् च आम्लं रसवती. आम्लं means sour. So both these sons interest different, one who born from one father, another एवं ही कश्चित् काव्यं रसवती means two sons who born from one father, then their interest different. For example, here given someone like kavya rasaya. Kavya means this son like poetry. Kashit natya means someone like drama. Kashit silpa means someone like silpa means artistic work, and kashit ganita means someone like maths. So that is the concept given here. Evam eva kashit is srungara priyo bhavati means this way someone like srungara means beautiness, okay, decoration. And kasmichita viraha means someone like bravery, adventure. Kasmichita karuna means someone like disappointment, someone like sadness. Kasmichita hasyarasa means someone like funny thing, comedy scene. So that is the concept of this line. Next, viralaya kasmichita janaya bibhatsopi means from all these persons some are very bad one means always thinks negative. इति नान्यतम रुचिना व्यवस्थितम भवति means these different types of people we can see in our society. So that is the concept of first para students. Now second para see एवं सति एका एवं वाणी सर्वस्य मानसं संतोषयति नाहरति. Here our poet is telling about in second para about our speech. How's the human speech is? एवं सति it is said that eka eva vani sarvasya manasam santosham nahat means one type of thing, one type of speech which will not satisfy to all. यानी एक speech है सबको satisfaction दे रहा है, it's not possible. For example, there is one hall, there sit hundreds person, and if I speak, then 50% accept my speech and 50% not accept. So that is the concept of this line. यानी कि सबको अच्छी लगे ऐसी वाणी मिलना मुश्किल है. यहाँ खलु आर्षेण संस्कारेण संस्कृतो भवति means it is the reality that आर्षेण संस्कारे संस्कृतो भवति means our society is full of culture. तस्मिन् मृद्वी रुज्वी च वाणी रुचते means in our society people accept soft, रुज्वी means simple speech. न तु कर्कश कुटिल वा means harsh language they will not accept. Means if cultural family having there means people who are cultural, then they will accept speech as soft, simple speech and very positive speech. अतः एते सह वार्तावसरे एतादृशवाणी एवं उचिता भवति. So at the time of talking, at the time of conversation, this type of person accept only positive speech. परंतु यहाँ जड़ एग्जाम्पल गिवन बाय अवर राइटर। स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट टू लाइन में हमको ऐसा बताया गया है कि सबको संतोष दे ऐसी वाणी मिलती नहीं है। ओके, हमारा जो सोसाइटी है उसमें कल्चरल पर्सन होते हैं और कल्चरल लोग जो होते हैं उनको कल्चरल भाषा ही अच्छी लगती है, पॉजिटिव एंड सिंपल, बराबर। और उनको टॉक के समय भी यानी एट द टाइम ऑफ टॉकिंग दे मस्ट हैव टू एक्सेप्ट सिंपल एंड सोबर लैंग्वेज। पर एग्जाम्पल दिया है, परंतु यह जड़ दुर्व्यसन अलसहज सेवक। हियर द पोएट हैज गिवन वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ शॉपकीपर एंड सर्वेंट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जड़ एंड दुर्व्यसन। जड़ मीन्स इग्नोरेंट, दुर्व्यसन मीन्स वन हू फॉलोइंग द बैड हैबिट, अलसह मीन्स लेजी वन, च सेवक भवति मीन्स हैविंग द असिस्टेंट लाइक दिस, यानी कि ऐसा कोई नौकर होता है कोई दुकान में हमारे घर पे, तस्में तस्य अधिपः मीन्स एट दैट टाइम हिज ओनर, प्रायः कर्कशवाणी बदलेगी, एट दैट टाइम हिज ओनर शॉपकीपर यूज हार्श लैंग्वेज फॉर हिम, ओके, बिकॉज ही इज वेरी लेजी वन, ignorant one, and he is not following his duty properly. कार्य च संयोजयति and he make him busy in the work, है ना। यानी कोई शॉपकीपर है, कोई ओनर है, उसका नौकर अच्छी तरह अपना काम नहीं कर रहा है, एट दैट टाइम उसका ओनर हार्श लैंग्वेज यूज करेगा, भले ही वो सबके साथ स्वीट लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहा हो, पर ऐसे मनुष्य के साथ ऐसी वाणी का यूज करता है। स्वकीय प्रयोजनम च संपादयति, एट दैट टाइम ही यूज हिज लैंग्वेज एंड चेंज इट एंड speak towards his assistant. So that is the concept of second pair, students. I hope you understood this very well. If you having any doubt, we have to revise these two paragraphs as question answer. See, how is the human in the society? What types of humans are there in society, students? In our society there are different types of people, one who like one thing and other not like that thing. So that is the concept of this answer. What about the birth in same family? Okay, a person one who born in same family, but their interest, their thinking, okay, different. So that is the answer of this question. What about it? Okay, what about the birth in same family? What about interest? Here our poet is telling that their interest also different. Means a person means two sons, one who born in one family, then also their interest different. For example, one like sweet, then other like salty, then other like sharp. One like drama, then other like poetry. One like silpa means artistic one, then one like maths. So that is the interest different in families. Which example given by writer about speech? Here our writer has given one example of shopkeeper, owner and assistant. If assistant is very lazy one, ignorant and not do his duty properly, at that time owner one who use his speech very harsh toward him and make him busy in the work. So that is the concept of these two paragraphs. I hope you understood very well, students. At last I want to telling you, take care and thank you.